Once there was a man named Richard. He lived in a village with his wife, Lisa, and their 2 kids. Mike was in grade 6 and Mealy in 5. Richard was a hard-working man. Richard had a childhood friend, Johnson. He lived far from their house. Johnson was clever and often borrowed money from Richard, but never returned it. Johnson had 2 kids, Jack and Emma. They didn't like school and never studied. They went to the school where Mike and Mealy studied. Johnson's wife, Linda, was different. She was kind and loving. Mike and Mealy liked her a lot. Mike and Mealy were studying in the lounge. Their final exams had started. Richard came home from work, freshened up, and sat with them.
Which paper is first?
Mike looked up.
Dad, my first paper is English.
Mealy smiled.
Me too.
Richard nodded.
So, are you both ready?
Mike smiled.
Yes. Dad.
Mealy said confidently.
Of course, Dad. You know us.
Richard laughed.
So, your positions are confirmed?
Mike smirked.
Of course. Dad, I will be in the top 3.
Mealy added.
Me too. Dad.
Richard laughed.
All right. What gift do you want? Mike?
Mike's eyes lit up.
A bicycle. Dad.
Mealy quickly said.
And I want the dollhouse.
Mike teased.
You girls never leave your dollhouses.
Mealy shot back.
And you boys never get off your cycles.
Richard raised his hand.
No fighting. Your gifts depend on your results.
Just then, Lisa called from the kitchen.
Dinner is ready.
Jack was sketching in his notebook. Emma was reading a storybook. Suddenly, Linda entered the room. Jack quickly hid his notebook and opened his English book. Emma slipped her storybook under her school bag. She quickly grabbed her notebook and pretended to study. Linda noticed. She walked to Emma, pulled out the storybook, and frowned.
Emma, are you in your senses? Your first paper is tomorrow. And you are reading stories?
Emma mumbled.
Mom. Just one story. You know Jack was making sketches.
Jack shouted.
Mom! She is lying!
Linda crossed her arms.
I know both of you well. Now, study. And at least try to score some good marks.
She left the room. Jack and Emma stared at each other, then quietly began studying. The next morning, Mike and Mealy sat at the kitchen table. Lisa placed their breakfast in front of them. After a few moments, Richard came into the kitchen and took his seat. Lisa frowned.
Mike. Mealy. Why aren't you eating?
Mike shifted in his seat.
Mom, I feel nervous. What if the exam is too hard?
Mealy sighed.
Me too. Mom. I just can't eat.
Richard smiled.
How will you solve your paper? If you don't eat?
He picked up a boiled egg and held it out to Mike.
Here. Take a bite.
Then, he spread jam on a slice of bread and handed it to Mealy.
Just one slice. My princess.
Mealy shook her head. Lisa sighed, but before she could say anything, Richard gently said,
All right, no pressure. But I bet one bite will make you feel better.
Mealy hesitated, then finally picked it up. Mike also started eating. Lisa smiled and handed Richard his tea. After breakfast, Mike and Mealy left for school, and Richard headed to work. That afternoon, they rushed home, excitement shining on their faces.
Mom, my paper was so easy.
Mike exclaimed.
Mine too.
Mealy added.
I even finished before time.
Lisa smiled.
See? You both worried for nothing.
Days passed, and soon the final results were announced. At school, Mike and Mealy received prizes on stage for topping their classes. Their faces beamed with pride as they came home. Mealy shouted with joy.
Dad! I got first position. Now my dollhouse?
Mike smiled.
And my bicycle? I topped too.
Richard laughed.
Of course. We will go on Sunday to buy them.
Lisa smiled, bringing tea and cake.
Let's celebrate your hard work.
That night, Johnson arrived.
Richard, Linda is sick. I need money for her treatment. My salary is almost finished.
Richard nodded.
Don't worry. I have some savings.
He went to his room and returned with cash.
Here, take this.
Thank you, dear.
Johnson said and left. Mealy saw everything and told Mike. Mike went to Richard.
Dad, you gave our gift money to Uncle Johnson. But I saw Aunt Linda at the fruit stall today. She was fine.
Richard sighed while Lisa shook her head.
I know, son. He often lies. But how could I refuse him?
Mike sadly went to his room. One evening, Richard and Johnson were returning from a nearby village. After visiting Johnson's uncle, Johnson spotted a purse on the ground and quickly picked it up.
It's heavy. Must be full of cash. I'm so lucky.
Richard smirked.
Don't say I. Say we. We have found the purse. We are lucky.
Johnson shook his head.
No. I have found the purse. So it's mine.
Before Richard could reply, they heard angry shouts.
Stop the thief!
A group of men rushed toward them, holding sticks. Johnson panicked.
Oh no. They will beat us. When they see we have the purse.
Richard smiled.
Say me. They will beat me.
Then, without another word, he went ahead.